slow descent to the trolley.
Confirmed, lowering now. Steady.
Look at the pitting right here.
Reading 0.05 inches, logging this as replace.
The bore scope confirms internal delamination in Sector 4. We have severe chloride penetration and metal fatigue. Extensive replacement is required before Process A.
Confirmed. The structural analysis supports the decision.
Due to the pervasive salt damage highlighted here, the airframe requires full chemical stripping under Process A. The high operational stress confirms the need for extensive overhaul and replacement of these critical pivot joints.
Small, flexible, snake-like robotic probes navigate the internal structural cavities, where micro...
Process A begins with the application of a microscopic conversion coating, creating a stable, passive layer on the aluminum and steel surfaces. This final 24-hour curing cycle ensures the top coat achieves maximum resistance to solvents, abrasion, and saltwater exposure. Interface points prepared for Process A reinstallation.
Confirmed. The optical scope shows 0 contamination. Proceed with wiring harness attachment.
Here we see the final stage of Process A. This specialized sealant provides critical protection against the corrosive exhaust gases faced by the naval fleet. Here we see the structurally certified Fulcrum-D entering the long-term hangar, awaiting the final integration of Process B. The camera tracks along the flawless, dark blue-gray top coat. In this high-precision CNC bay, massive 5-axis machines meticulously work on the scarred steel hooks and actuator casings.
The raw material is now structurally and dimensionally sound.
The robotic arm precisely aligns the hydraulic manifold before the technicians install the high-pressure seals.
A little more to the left, steady now. I see the alignment mark, engaging the pin.
The arresting gear assembly moves into a final cleaning station. High-pressure steam and degreasing agents remove
Alignment looks good on the pivot points. Lock the crane.
Confirmed. Starting temporary fixture sequence now.
The fully integrated and operational MiG-29K Fulcrum-D naval variant.
Crane, lift steady, the deck is shifting. Roger that, taking the tension now.
Watch the starboard side. Resetting the wire.
Clear for operation.
Use the bore scope on the Process B component. Look closely at the pivot joint.
Readings are nominal. No signs of fatigue.
Clear the deck, move it out! Wires tension, bring him in!
Catapult is hot. Stand by for launch.
The arresting wire successfully takes the immense strain. The overhauled crossing hydraulics then flow.